Have you ever wondered how to navigate the intricacies of exchange traded funds or ETFs in your quest to conquer the stock market? Two key players that often come into the spotlight are VOO and VTI, both offered by the investment powerhouse Vanguard. The question then arises, which one aligns better with your portfolio? First, we delve into VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This ETF mirrors the performance of the S&P 500 index, a collection of 500 of the largest US companies. By investing in VOO, you're essentially buying into a broad spectrum of the economy, encompassing multiple sectors. VOO can be an appealing choice for those who seek stability and growth from large cap stocks. It's like being part of a club that includes well-known entities such as Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. Next, we turn our attention to VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. Unlike its counterpart VOO, VTI seeks to replicate the performance of the CRSP US Total Market Index, offering investors a taste of the entire US stock market. VTI isn't just about large cap stocks, it also includes mid cap and small cap stocks. This wider net provides a level of diversification that can be attractive to investors looking for broader market exposure. So the million-dollar question is, which one to choose, VOO or VTI? The answer, and this, as with most investment decisions, depends on your individual goals and risk tolerance. If your strategy leans towards a more focused approach, wanting to ride alongside large cap blue chip companies, VOO might be your partner in investment. However, if your aim is to capture a more comprehensive snapshot of the market encompassing all market capitalizations, then VTI could be your ticket. And in the end, whether you choose VOO or VTI, both ETFs provide cost-effective ways to step into the stock market and construct a diversified portfolio. It's crucial to remember that investment decisions should always be informed and well-researched. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor to ensure that your choices align with your financial goals and risk profile. Absolutely. If you found this video helpful and informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content on investing, finance, and personal development. Your support helps us continue creating quality videos to empower investors like you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for future updates. Invest wisely and always know your options.